So I got this thing working, pretty cool. Wound up replacing this capacitor and this capacitor, and it's kind of interesting because it's SMD and I solder some leads on to go through the PCB. I wound up putting this capacitor back in and this capacitor back in, but I did take them out of circuit to test. I also tested the diode that was, I thought, testing bad, but I needed to test it out of circuit. Seems to test okay out of circuit. I just realized with, I've got this like little generic free LED TV speaker box or 14 watts. It might not be the right ohmage. I didn't look and see. Hooked up. And then I had generic antennas that have a ferrite loop stick built in. So I've just been using like a rabbit ears, but with wires, and it might not have been so good. Well, I'm hooking this up, and figured I'd test it out, and I'm like, whoa, huge difference now. So I'm trying to find the old videos. I made an old video with that, and power meters, signal strength meters working okay. The tuner indicator's working okay. Oh, that's fine. So those LEDs are working okay. That's great. But the volume is not. So that's like, wow, huge volume. I'm just amazed. I never heard this so loud. Well, AM never even worked. Yeah, I have to switch the antenna. So I'll switch the. Okay. Sometimes.
There were more than 1,000 flights canceled over the weekend, and some airlines are already waiving rebooking.
So this is with AM. There's no signal strength. The tuner lights don't do anything, and that I figure is related to. There's a lamp up under. These two leads go to, and it's like up under. Up in there. Can't quite see it. So I need to figure out if that it's supposed to work on AM or not, and same with that, if it's supposed to work on AM or not. Otherwise, I'm like totally stoked. I'm like, this is way cool. Loud now, working. So it's pretty exciting to repaired this. And so the next thing's going to be assessing if I want to get in here and replace, watch this live, the transistors with maybe like the clip system, the TL074CN or TL071. I think the INA111s are too expensive for this, but maybe TL071s would be kind of handy. So that'd be kind of neat to take that Clips Pro Media 2.1 type THX certified circuitry and study how you can integrate that into here. And then I also think it'd be kind of cool to modify this out a little more. If I don't keep it original, it doesn't look like it's a really valuable stereo. I guess I could put it on eBay just to see what it sells for now working. Otherwise, though, it looks like there's room. There's some room in the front here where I could drill some holes, put some more switches in if I want to, and get like a weather station on here, get a little tuner for weather, and I don't know what else, if there's anything else I want to monitor, but it would be kind of cool to get some extra ranges in here, so at least a weather station, and then improve the audio characteristics. Okay, this is a little test setup I made to test that tuner indicator lamp. Replacement with an LED from old TV strip, LED strip. I'm using 2 LEDs. Not sure, I think they're 6 to 6.9 volts, maybe 160 milliamp. And I have 3 resistors there on the negative line coming in, as you can see here, the negative 23. And on this image, the LEDs are backwards, so flip those upside down so the cathode's coming in because that's negative. And this is removing the resistor. I wound up calculating out. This is suitable. Either way is suitable. The current should be low enough not to cause any damage.